Know more about Railway Station of Bikaner. It was established in 1891. Mr. Rai Bahadur Diwan Bahadur Sarkhatur Chandaga donated a sum of 3,46,000 rupees for its construction. Inside the station, there are car parking facilities for people. Still, this area is under construction. This railway station is built at an elevation of 226 meters. It has 6 platforms. It is also very spacious. There is also a notice board which shows the expected time, train number and train name, etc. It is a part of North-Western Railway Zone. There are many shops for the passengers and benches too. Outside the station is this beautiful architecture depicting the Rajasthani culture. Also, we can't forget the clock tower just outside the station. Hope you loved these facts about the Bikaner junction. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment.